President Trump made a big move on June 3, 2025. He announced large-scale fines aimed at California, posted on Truth Social. Trump specifically targeted Governor Newsom, using the name Gavin Newsom. The core issue is a transgender athlete Trump referred to as a biological male. This athlete competed in girls' state finals. The exact amount of the fines is unclear, and California waits for more information. This threat did not appear suddenly. The Department of Justice acted first. On June 2, a formal letter was sent to California's public schools. The DOJ demanded to stop the 2012 bylaw concerning transgender athletes. Harmeet Dillon, Assistant Attorney General, stated California's policy is discriminatory. It constitutes sex discrimination, violating the 14th Amendment. This deprives biological girls of opportunities, according to the DOJ. This is the official stance from Washington. California's policy allows participation based on gender identity. The federal government wants this changed. At the center of this conflict is an athlete named A.B. Hernandez. She is a young transgender athlete who achieved notable success in sports. Hernandez won 2 state titles in the high jump and triple jump at the CIF state championships. Her victories sparked this intense debate. California has a specific state policy in place since 2012. It allows transgender students to participate in sports teams aligning with their gender identity. The California Interscholastic Federation, or CIF, governs high school sports statewide. The CIF updated its policy to align with state law, permitting transgender athletes to compete. This policy made A.B. Hernandez eligible to compete in the girls' events. The Trump administration has a clear focus on targeting transgender athletes. This issue is prominent in Republican campaigns. President Trump issued an executive order on February 5, 2025. It instructed the Department of Education to enforce Title IX rules differently. The aim is to reserve women's sports for biological females. This federal action is part of a trend. California's inclusive approach contrasts with the federal stance. Reactions to the news came quickly. Locally, some strongly opposed Hernandez's wins. Fresno County Supervisor Gary Bredefeld described transgenderism as a psychological issue. Clovis Mayor Pro Tem Diana Pierce called for CIF to change its policies. These voices represent significant local concern. A.B. Hernandez's family also responded. Her mother, Nareda Hernandez, defended her child, highlighting the need for safety and support. Transgender individuals deserve dignity, she stated. She directly addressed President Trump, urging him to learn about LGBTQ+ people. California's Governor Gavin Newsom also commented. Newsom, known as a progressive leader, made surprising remarks during a podcast interview with Charlie Kirk. He stated it was deeply unfair referring to transgender athletes in girls' sports. This comment caught many by surprise. The participation of transgender athletes is a significant issue in Republican politics. California, with its progressive stance, is often a focus. The debate continues to unfold nationwide. The threatened fines bring much uncertainty. President Trump did not specify the amounts or the federal funding to be cut. This leaves California in a difficult position, with potential financial impact on state schools and programs. The Trump Department of Justice has acted before, initiating a lawsuit in April 2025 targeting Maine. The DOJ alleged violations of Title IX related to transgender athletes. This demonstrates a consistent federal approach to challenge state policies. California is one of 22 states with laws permitting transgender athletes to compete based on gender identity. This situation creates a direct conflict between state-level laws and federal directives. It is a classic states' rights confrontation, pitting state autonomy against federal power. The debate is far from resolution, raising complex questions about fairness in sports. This case highlights a profound societal divide involving identity, competitive sports, and the law. The ultimate outcome will have significant implications for the entire nation. Many are watching these developments closely. California officials must now wait and prepare. The state faces a period of suspense,